Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your earbuds CMF Buds Pro 2 on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store and now go to the search. Click at the search line at the top and write nothing. Now search, and you should install this application what called Nothing X. Now open it. Click Get Started. You can join this program, I don't need it, so I click Later. Then click Continue and Allow. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!